Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to add the same text or picture to all slides in PowerPoint quickly and easily. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and open the presentation where you want to add the text or picture. Next, go to the View tab at the top and click on Slide Master. This will allow you to make changes that apply to all slides in your presentation. Now click on the very first slide in the left-hand panel. This is the master slide. Any changes you make here will automatically apply to all slides and layouts beneath it. Go to the Insert tab, then click Pictures to add an image, or Text box to add text. Select this device to upload your image from your computer. Once inserted, you can reposition or resize the text or picture as needed. Since you're working in the Slide Master view, these changes will appear on every slide automatically. And that's it. You've successfully added the same text or picture to all slides in PowerPoint, keeping your presentation consistent and professional. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.